Did you know that nighttime meditation can actually disrupt our natural sleep-wake cycle? Yes, that's right. While many people find meditation to be a soothing nighttime routine, there are several reasons why you might want to reconsider. Picture this. You're winding down after a long day, you're feeling relaxed and ready to drift into a peaceful slumber. But wait, you decide to meditate. Sounds like a good idea, right? Not so fast. You see, our bodies have a built-in clock known as the circadian rhythm. This rhythm is an internal process that regulates our sleep-wake cycle, repeating roughly every 24 hours. It's influenced by light and darkness in our environment, helping our bodies know when it's time to sleep and when it's time to wake up. Now, imagine you're meditating at night. Your body is prepared for sleep, but your mind is actively engaged in meditation. This clash can disrupt your circadian rhythm, throwing off your natural sleep-wake cycle. Over time, this disruption can lead to a variety of health issues such as insomnia, depression, obesity, and even heart disease. Moreover, the circadian rhythm is not just about sleep. It also influences our hormonal levels, eating habits, digestion, and body temperature. Therefore, messing with it can result in a ripple effect that you might not have bargained for. But let's not be hasty and throw out the baby with the bathwater. Meditation is an excellent practice with a multitude of benefits. However, the time you choose to meditate can make a significant difference in how you reap those benefits. So, the next time you consider nighttime meditation, remember it could be messing with your natural body clock. Another reason to avoid nighttime meditation is the cognitive decline that naturally occurs in the evening. Yes, you heard it right. Our cognitive function, which includes our ability to concentrate, recall information, and make decisions, tends to decrease as the day wears on. This is primarily due to the circadian rhythm, our body's internal clock that influences physiological processes. Now, imagine trying to meditate in this state. It would be like trying to read a book in dim light. You might strain, but the words just won't come into focus. This is what happens when we try to meditate at night. Our dwindling cognitive function makes it harder to maintain focus and stay alert, which are essential for effective meditation. Moreover, this cognitive decline can make meditation less effective. The benefits of meditation, such as improved attention, reduced stress, and increased self-awareness, hinge on our ability to stay focused and aware. So, if our cognitive function is compromised, our meditation practice suffers too. So, if you're finding it hard to focus during your nighttime meditation, it could be because of your body's natural cognitive decline. Ever found yourself falling asleep during a nighttime meditation session? You're not alone. This is a common issue for many, and it's more than just a minor inconvenience. When we meditate at night, the line between consciousness and sleep can blur, leading us to drift off. This defeats the purpose of meditation, which is to cultivate mindful awareness, not to induce sleep. As we sink into the comfort of the night's silence, our bodies naturally prepare for rest. This can make it challenging to maintain the alertness required for effective meditation. Instead of reaching a state of mindfulness, we end up in the twilight zone of being neither fully awake nor asleep. This in-between state can be frustrating and counterproductive, detracting from the benefits of meditation. Remember, the goal of meditation is awareness and focus, not a shortcut to a quick nap. Feeling drained during your nighttime meditation? It might not be your busy day to blame. Our bodies have a built-in clock, known as the circadian rhythm, that naturally governs our energy levels throughout the day. As the sun sets and darkness envelops us, our energy levels naturally begin to wane. This is a survival mechanism, a way our bodies prepare for rest and rejuvenation. During this time, it can be challenging to maintain the level of focus and alertness needed for a productive meditation session. Imagine trying to run a marathon after a long day of work. Sounds strenuous, right? The same principle applies to meditation. It requires energy, mental stamina, and concentration. Trying to meditate when your energy reserves are low can lead to frustration and a less than optimal experience. So, what's the solution? Consider scheduling your meditation sessions during the day when your energy levels are at their peak. This way, you can ensure that you're giving your meditation practice the attention and energy it deserves. Keep in mind, a successful meditation session requires energy and focus, both of which tend to drop as the day ends. Ever find your mind racing with thoughts and feelings during your nighttime meditation? There's a reason for that. Nighttime is a crucial period for our minds. It's when we sift through the events of the day, processing our experiences, emotions, and stresses. This mental activity is vital for our well-being, but it can also be a bit of a double-edged sword when it comes to meditation. Imagine you're trying to maintain a calm and focused state, but your mind is busy sorting through a whirlwind of thoughts, feelings, and worries. It's like trying to find peace in the middle of a bustling city market. This overwhelming influx can make it exceptionally challenging to achieve the quiet mindfulness that meditation aims to foster. It's not that your mind is working against you, it's simply doing its job, processing the day's stress. However, it can make your nighttime meditation feel like an uphill battle, a struggle, rather than a soothing escape. So instead of helping you relax, nighttime meditation might just be adding to your stress. Feeling like you're sacrificing your personal time for nighttime meditation? You're not alone. Many individuals find themselves caught in this predicament. As the sun sets and the day draws to a close, we naturally crave an opportunity to unwind, relax, and partake in activities that bring us joy. Yet if we allot this precious window of time to meditation, we may inadvertently create feelings of resentment. Indeed, the evening hours often serve as our only respite from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Sacrificing this time for meditation can make the practice feel less like a restorative act of self-care, and more like another task to be ticked off our to-do list. This sense of obligation can rob meditation of its therapeutic potential, transforming it into a source of stress rather than a remedy. Therefore, it's essential to find a balance that allows you to enjoy your personal time and cultivate a healthy meditation practice. After all, meditation should enhance your life, not feel like a chore. Waking up feeling groggy after a nighttime meditation, it might not be a coincidence. Nighttime meditation can indeed disrupt our sleep and leave us feeling less than refreshed the next day. You see, our bodies have a natural rhythm, a cycle that governs our time of sleep and wakefulness. This is called the circadian rhythm. When we meditate at night, we risk throwing this delicate balance out of sync. As we meditate, our minds enter a state of deep relaxation, akin to the early stages of sleep. It's very easy then to drift from this meditative state into actual sleep, especially if we're already tired. The problem is, this isn't the same as a good night's sleep. It's more like a nap, and it can leave us feeling groggy and disoriented when we wake up. So instead of waking up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day, we might find ourselves struggling to shake off the drowsiness. It's a kind of sleep inertia, a hangover from the disrupted sleep. Your nighttime meditation might just be the reason you're not feeling refreshed in the morning. Nighttime meditation might seem like a good idea, but as we've seen, it comes with its own set of challenges. Let's take a moment to recap the 8 reasons we've discussed in this video. Firstly, meditating at night can disrupt our natural circadian rhythm. This rhythm governs our sleep-wake cycle, and when it's thrown off balance, our overall well-being can be negatively impacted. Secondly, our cognitive function tends to decline as the day progresses. This makes it harder to focus and stay alert during meditation, which can be frustrating and counterproductive. Thirdly, there's the risk of falling asleep. Nighttime meditation can easily become a prelude to slumber, defeating the purpose of achieving mindful awareness. Fourthly, our energy levels typically dip in the evening. With lower energy, it becomes difficult to have a focused and productive meditation session. Fifthly, nighttime is when our brain processes the day's stress. Meditating during this time can lead to an overwhelming influx of thoughts and feelings that can be hard to manage. The 6th reason is the sacrifice of personal time. Giving up your evening relaxation or social time for meditation can breed resentment, making the practice feel more like a chore than a beneficial habit. And 7thly, nighttime meditation can disrupt your sleep. Instead of promoting restful sleep, it may leave you feeling groggy and unrested the next day. So the next time you plan on meditating at night, consider these factors. You might find that a daytime meditation practice suits you better. Remember, the aim of meditation is to enhance your life, not complicate it. Choose a time that works best for you and make the practice a harmonious part of your daily routine.